Today, I'll show you how to fix the Google Pixel 7 Pro not starting problem. So let's get started. First, we'll place the phone on a heating pad to warm up the body, because it's easier to open and separate the parts when the phone is heated. Now, we'll apply mobile opening liquid around the edges of the phone. Then, we'll use a phone opening sheet to carefully lift and open one side of the phone. Next, we'll apply a bit more phone opening liquid around the edges, little by little. Now, we'll slide the phone opening sheet all around the edges. Now we'll disconnect the display connector. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A total of 8 screws need to be removed. Now we'll peel off the sticker on top of the battery. And we'll remove it along with the side washers. We'll now remove the shield on top of the battery. Now we'll disconnect the battery connector. Now we'll check the battery voltage using a multimeter. Make sure the multimeter is set to the voltage section before checking. If the multimeter shows absolutely no voltage, meaning 0, it indicates that the problem might be with the battery itself. To remove the battery, we'll apply phone opening liquid around it and then lift the battery using a battery lifter. We'll now remove the adhesive tape on the battery connectors. After removing all the tape, we'll identify the battery's negative and positive terminals. Now, we'll connect the power supply to the battery's negative and positive terminals and check the voltage using a multimeter. If the multimeter shows the battery voltage correctly, around 3 to 3.5 volts, then the battery voltage is fine. Since the battery is fine, we'll reconnect the battery connector and check the phone again. We'll connect the display connector, plug in the charger, and then power on the phone. Yes, the phone is now powered on and charging. The problem is solved. Thank you.